One of the things we've noticed while we've been camping in car parks, laybys and whatnot is there's a significant number of other vanners from like Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, who are also over here. So yeah, they might not give us points at Eurovision, but they seem to like our country. It's quite nice. Hopefully they're spending their money and boosting our tourism industry. As I've mentioned earlier, one of the challenges is keeping your hair from being a matted mess. And obviously I've used the dry shampoo now, which involves me looking like a toilet brush because it's voluminized my hair, which is a bit scary. So just out of interest, if there are any female campers out there who've got a better solution to the hair washing and lack of hair washing, please let me know. Give me tips. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching Dingwall. Going over the railway tracks. And here's a designated parking spot for motorhomes. So we will just park up here. Oh, nice little cottages over there. Do you see them? Yeah. Like little railway cottages, I suppose they must be, because there is a railway line here. That is us parked, ready to go and explore. Catch you later.
Now here's the real reason we're in Dingwall. Apparently there's only 2 in Scotland. Carol sniffed them out and she's been wanting to come up and try Wimpy. And it's closed. 11 o'clock, there you go, it's something to look forward to. Dingwall's got a liddles.
This is a blast from the past. Wimpy, here in Dingwall. This is the breakfast menu. They have Wimpy Wednesday. They have some of their classics. Oh, look at, they've got a bendy sausage as well. Fancy. Drinks menu. And this is what it looks like. So I have ordered a meat-free muffin, breakfast muffin.
Sorry, I you had from. Oh, thank you. I'm just asking if you like me.
So it has egg, hash brown, cheese, brown sauce. Paul has gone for a sunrise breakfast, which is toast, bacon, sausage, egg, hash brown, beans, bit of tomato and butter for the toast. All looks perfectly cooked and lovely. Happy, Mr. Mitchell?
Should be. It's bloody back 11 o'clock. Start.
2 empty plates, 2 satisfied customers. Still chomping away. Lovely. So this is us set up in Dingwall campsite. Hall away to get rid of the rubbish. Toilet block is over there. It's a lovely campsite, lovely and level. Very helpful staff. We've got the awning up because the sun is splitting the trees and it's all good. Pitch number 61. How nice is that? Smashing. And as we leave Dingwall campsite this morning, you can see that the actual site itself is opposite the stadium and the training ground for Ross County, the Staggies. And there they are having their training. Here's their stadium. One of the ends of their stadium, where I think it's the equivalent of our red shed, is called the jail end. That's where all the most passionate supporters go to. The campsite itself was very clean, quite modern, very quiet, lots of nature. There was honestly hundreds of bunnies and birds. All of them were very bold, hung about the vans, hoping for wee crumbs of food. But the only thing that let it down was it's those bloody push button showers. So you can't just turn the tap on and relax, having gone 4 days without a shower. Under the warm stream of water, you've got to work for it. So every, I'd say 30 seconds if you're lucky, you're pushing that button to get the water to come back on. Otherwise, it was a great campsite, but I just wish they would sort out the showers.